There are different venture choices accessible in the crypto world. One of them is Abracadabra. The recipe for procuring benefits on interests in Abracadabra is basic. The blockchain framework makes financial backers benefit from their security. The new convention can measure up to a property you took a credit and got lease for it. Things are moving in the crypto space as KuCoin Trade declare the expulsion of the Spell token from its rundown. Beforehand, Spell was on a dump and siphon alert. The Abracadabra convention offers a DeFi answer for current issues, and its local token is Spell. Spell token is viewed as an answer for its rivals Lax. The Spell utilizes 3 distinct tokens to loan cash in Abracadabra. The considerations are IVWIT, EVIST, and Sushi. The client can involve them for loaning webcash. Abracadabra offers an answer for the cash that is in no dynamic use. What is Spell token? The 2 huge tokens in the Abracadabra convention are MIM and Spell. These 2 are engaged with the smooth running of the primary elements of the referenced biological system. MIM means enchantment webcache and is the lead accomplice in marking alongside Spell. The essential capability of these 2 monetary forms is marking. They are utilized on the Ethereum stage and work for marking. When marked on the discussion, they have different advantages. The fundamental advantages that the Spell token brings are a job in administration and bringing recurring, automated revenue. Whenever you have put resources into the Spell token, you have casting a ballot rights bringing about a job in administration. The more Spell tokens you have, the more you will have something to do with choices. The recurring automated revenue comes to the clients as a level of exchanging expenses. 75% of the exchanging charge goes to financial backers. The rest is for different purposes. In this way, Spell digital currency works in the decentralized blockchain framework, offering various advantages. As of now positioning 206 in the rundown, Spell token has been one of the top gainers. The symbolic figure depends on past execution and current measurements. The ongoing cost for the Spell token is $0.02501, while it has seen an ascent of 2.95% as of now. How truly does Spell token function? Since its send-off in August 2021, according to the accessible information on CoinMarketCap, the Spell token has seen a colossal ascent. You should know how it functions and the key to its development. Spell token specialized examination shows that this symbolics convention is not the same as others. The convention is an detached loaning business sector, and it brings in the client's otherworldly cash. Abracadabra finishes this cycle in 5 stages, which are as per the following. The initial step is the store of the guarantee sum on Abracadabra. The subsequent stage is the obligation allotment to the borrower, and hence the borrower becomes qualified to take the advantage of interest. The third step is the store of MIM tokens put away in the borrower's wallet. The last step is the financial backer's free utilization of MIM. They can keep utilizing it or strip it by transforming it into government-issued currency or another digital money. Spell token value history. The presentation for the Spell token has been palatable, assuming we check its huge ascent out. The underneath given graph from Wallet Financial Backer shows that it has performed extraordinarily since its send-off in August 2021. Starting from $0.000621 on 17 August 2021, the Spell token has ascended to the levels of $0.033327 on 1 November 2021. The staggering ascent in 90 days, abandoning many coins, shows this coin's true capacity for future development. Alongside the specialized examination of verifiable information, its expectations show a wise venture. Wallet Financial Backer positions Spell token in the Class A+ due to the financial backer assembly that it has drawn in. The market will work on further on the off chance that its bullish pattern proceeds. Abracadabra convention has involved itself in the NFT space. Obviously, the NFT space experienced mind-blowing development and flooded to a $40 billion industry in 2021. Securing a lot of capital in the new resource class. Abracadabra presented the Abranched, a distributed loaning business sector, to permit NFT gatherers to open time-sensitive getting positions in their valuable NFTs. The Abranched will acquaint Abracadabra Cash with the NFT environment, assisting ranchers and retail clients with getting the best from their NFTs. Spell Specialized Investigation. The ongoing live Spell cost is $0.000520 with a $20,802,658 24-hour exchanging volume. Our Spell to United States dollars valuing is continually refreshed. In the beyond 24 hours, Spell has diminished by 0.58%. With a live market cap of $102,350,556. CoinMarketCap currently positions number 293. Spell is likewise exchanging on a negative energy, as the bears have been in charge for the last 24 hours. Spell has exchanged as low as $0.0005202 and as high as $0.0005449. There are 107,405,628,969 spell coins available for use, with a greatest inventory of 196,008,739,620 spell coins. The Bollinger Groups are shaping a thin example because of the energy with the most elevated point at $0.0006442 and as far as possible, exchanging at $0.0004812. The light bars are exchanging close to the lower band, as the MACD line is nearly exchanging over the sign line. Spell cost examination shows the general strength file, RSI, at 34.92. Meaning a steady cryptographic money. This implies the digital currency falls into the upper impartial area. The diminishing RSI score additionally implies predominant selling exercises. Spell value expectation 2023. Our spell cost expectation for 2023 exhibits that a most extreme cost of $0.0009584 is expected at the cost to close the year. As per our estimates, the cost of spell coins will stay consistent during the year, fluctuating between at least $0.000800026 and a normal of $0.0008229 per coin. Spell value expectation 2024. Our spell cost forecast for 2024 shows that spell will encounter a bull run, and the cost could without a doubt rise and possibly achieve a greatest value worth of $0.001. Albeit the cost supposedly rises from the earlier year, the coin should encounter a base cost of $0.001 and keep up with its typical exchanging cost at $0.001. Spell value expectation 2025. Our spell cost forecast for 2025 is a limit of $0.002. The base value the coin will have toward the finish of 2026 will be $0.002, while its typical exchanging cost is supposed to be $0.002. The development will be empowered by the persistent development of the spell tokens, Safamoon organization, and environment. Spell value expectation 2026. Our spell cost expectation for 2026 states that the spell value reach will hit a greatest base cost of $0.003. We anticipate that the computerized coin should proceed with its bullish run from the earlier year, while keeping a base and normal cost of $0.003 and $0.003 individually. Spell value expectation 2027. Our spell cost expectation for 2027 recommends a base cost of $0.004. The spell cost can arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.004 with a typical worth of $0.004. Spell value forecast 2028.